Okay, so now I'm going to go into how to actually use the software. And before I do, let me talk a little bit about what it does. So Game Changer allows you to go out and find find high page rank websites or high PR websites and pages. Now, the power in this lies in the ability to go to those pages and drop backlinks or links to your website or to your client's website. Really, there's an endless amount of ways that you can use this software to monetize and to make money. And one of the powerful ways that you can do that is with the backlinks. And what backlinks are is they're links from other websites to your website. And Google uses backlinks in their algorithm to determine the popularity and basically the weight of your website. So the more backlinks that you have of high quality, the higher in the rankings you go, the more importance that Google places on your website. Now, it's important to note that a large amount of backlinks doesn't necessarily mean anything. They have to be high quality backlinks. And a lot of people will tell you nowadays that backlinks don't matter, but they absolutely do if they're high quality. You don't want to go out and get a whole bunch of junk, low PR backlinks, okay? That could actually wind up hurting you. But that's where this software shines, is it allows you to find the highest quality places to place your backlink and get that really good Google juice. So without further ado, I'm not going to get it deep into SEO theory and things like that. You can do some research on your own about that. But let me show you how this software works. So what we have here are different footprints. And the footprints, it just means, you know, different types of web properties that you can search through. So you have blogs, you have forums, you have guest books, and yes, we even have .edu, websites where you can search through and place your backlinks. So the all footprints is just everything that's in these tabs combined. So that just makes it a little bit easier for you. Also in the settings, you can set up proxy servers if you want to. Just follow this pattern. If you use proxy servers, I suggest you use high quality proxy servers and not junk free proxy servers. The way the software works is it will, if you don't use a proxy server, it will pace itself as to not create, you know, it's not jumping in the air at Google saying, hey, look at me, you know. It paces itself, makes everything look all natural. So, so let's go ahead and show you how to do this thing. Let's say, for example, you want to find some backlinks for your own website or your client's website, and you're in the cooking niche or the internet marketing niche or whatever, where you'll do a search for that keyword here, and let's just pick some crazy random keyword, test. How about test? We'll just use test. That'd be interesting to see what websites are under test. And so I'm going to search for forums specifically that have that keyword, and we can just choose a couple of them. I'm going to use this one right here. PHP, BB, vBulletin is another forum, and I'm just going to do those two for now. You can choose as many or as little as you want, and you're going to click on Start. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through and find forums through Google that has that keyword in it. So now what we want to do is we want to check the page ranks of these forums. So very easily, you just one click, just check page rank, and it's going to go through and find the page rank for each page. Now, remember what I said, that it paces itself. So this process actually takes a minute to do. It may take a couple minutes to go through and get all the page ranks because it's doing them on a paced basis. So I'm going to pause the video for a moment and then come back when it's done. Alright, so now it's done checking all the page ranks. And we can look through and you can see there's a page rank 5. Not a whole whole lot in the test, but here's a 7. Look, that's good. 7. Obviously, the higher the page rank, the better. So 7 is a really good page rank. So let's go ahead and check this website out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open in default browser. That'll open up this page, and we can kind of check out this forum and see what they're about. IPv6 test. Okay. Doesn't look like a very active forum, but that's okay because it still has a high page rank, and you can see the views. There's a lot of traffic coming to this forum, and Google really likes it. So, and that's another reason I picked forums, is because Google loves forums. So now what we want to do, this looks like a great place where we can go and drop some backlinks. And so now what we want to do is we want to find individual pages within this website that have high page rank, which would be great places to drop our links on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our software, and we're going to click one time inside that box and copy that URL. And then we're going to go here and go to settings and go to group settings. We're going to create a new group, and you see how these all footprints, blogs, forums, guestbooks, edu, those are just groups. So we're going to add a group so we can specifically search this particular site. So we're going to call it test. Since that was our keyword, you can call it whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it test. And we're going to click on that, and we're going to click add footprint. And the footprint name again doesn't matter. Test. I'll just put 3 T's or something. And the footprint filter, you want to type in site : and then you're going to want to paste that URL back in there. Now, because we want to search the whole site, the whole forum, we're going to take this junk out of here, right here, that points to a specific page. And I'm also going to take out this HTTP information as well. So here we just have site : forum, blah 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 blah. That way we're searching the whole site because we want to search all the pages. Click OK, and we're done. So you can close this, and you'll see the group is now there, and you can easily remove that group later just by clicking remove group. So now what we want to do is we want to take out our keyword because we want to search for everything, and we're just going to click this right here, and the software is going to, and click start, and the software is going to start going through all the pages on that forum and give us some results on that. Alright, so it's going to go through here, and I actually increased my views to 30 in here in settings, and I set it to 30 so I could see more pages. Okay, now we're going to go through and check the page rank of each one of those pages. So click the check page rank button, and it's going to go through that same process, and again, it may take just a minute to do that. I'll pause the video. Alright, so the software is done checking all the individual pages of the site, and it looks like we got some really good results. So we got PR7s, PR6, and these are all within that site. So these are all pages that you can go and drop your link on. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. 6 is a really good ranking, so let's go here and just pick one. We'll pick this one right here, open in default browser. And so this is just a thread on a forum, and this is a great place to drop a link because you're on a PR6 page on a PR7 website. So that's some really good Google juice right there for you. So what you do is you just go in and register for an account. You know, it might take 30 seconds or something like that. Start posting some stuff around. Go to this page like I just did, and kind of read what the original poster posted, and chime in on the conversation and add your link in the signature, in your signature. Here's some of these guys are wise to what we're doing. They're doing the same thing. Look at this. This guy's got 3 links in his. There's somebody's got one, internet marketing tips. This I Can't even speak that language. How to burn fat. See, these are totally unrelated, but these guys are smart because this is a really high power page, high PR. So you know, they just put in a little sentence about, you know, blah blah blah, you know, whatever. It doesn't even have to be extremely relevant, but you don't want to get yourself booted, so you want to, you know, have it somewhat relevant to the topic. But yeah, these guys are smart. They're doing it too. And one post, you know, so this is a great place to go in and drop your links. And you can go in you already know which pages are the best to put it on. You know, there's another topic, there's another topic, another one. You know, all these pages, you can go in each one of these and drop your link on them. So that's really, really, really powerful right there to be able to do that. Now you could do the same thing with blogs, with guest books, these .edu websites. Man, there's some Google loves edu, I tell you what. They really do. And so yeah, the same process works for all different kinds of websites. We got a whole bunch of footprints in here, and you can obviously add your own as well. So that's it for this video, and I hope you use this to your best advantage, because you can really do some damage. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make money with this thing. I'm going to show you some different methods that you can use to really generate some cash. So I hope you get excited for that, because I am. And if you have any questions, let me just say, go to helpdesk.automagicim.com. It'll take you to this page. You can submit a ticket to us. Please do not submit support questions on the sales page or the sales thread. We won't answer them there, okay? We have a process for this. Submit it to the help desk. We'll get back to you ASAP. Okay, we'll get back to you, and you'll be able to talk directly with the developer. And so if you have questions, go there, put it there. Don't send them to the support email. Okay, nobody checks that. Send it. Go here and put your ticket in. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.